Motorcycle accident injury claims are often complicated to resolve, primarily because the driver or drivers involved in the accident or their insurance companies may assert that the injured motorcyclist shares the blame for the crash. The determination of fault for a motorcycle accident becomes particularly important due to the 51% bar rule in Texas. The rule states that a motorist who is 51% or more at fault is prohibited from suing others for compensation after a crash. Texas applies this modified comparative fault rule to injury claims involving all types of motor vehicle accidents. Comparative fault rules account for the fact that more than one person or entity may bear responsibility for an accident and any injuries. The rules weigh each party's contribution to an accident and assign a percentage of fault. In the days, weeks, and months following a motorcycle accident, you should take steps to protect your legal rights and to begin the process of pursuing your claim for compensation for injuries or losses you may have suffered in the accident. For example, see a doctor for a physical exam as soon as possible after the crash to diagnose any injuries you may have sustained. Make sure you attend all follow-up appointments with your doctor and follow their treatment plan. This will help to protect your right to compensation by showing that you're doing everything you can to recover from the accident. Keep copies of all medical bills, invoices, and receipts for expenses you incur related to your recovery from the accident. Make sure to have copies of your pay stub or income statement if you miss time from work following the accident. Preserve any dash cam or helmet cam footage you may have taken of the accident. Avoid posting updates about your motorcycle accident and recovery on social media. Maintain a pain journal to keep a daily record of the physical pain and emotional toll of the accident. This will help to show the extent of the pain and suffering you've endured as a result of your injuries. After you've been involved in a motorcycle accident, contact the personal injury attorneys of Fleming Law to discuss the details of the accident with an experienced motorcycle accident lawyer. Call 469-414-9082 or visit FlemingAttorneys.com for a free case evaluation.